We will deal with 10 new more word meanings with the sentences as well, and as you know, you have to make your own sentences in that as well. So get ready with your headphones, take out your notebook and textbook, and get ready for today's class. So students, let's begin the class. So in today's class, we will be dealing, as I said, 10 more words. So let me point out those 10 words. So here they are: careless, cheerful, course, then there are counsel, commentary, companion, complete, concentrate, conservation, and concern. So these are the 10 words for today's class, and let's begin with the first word. The first word is careless. Careless meaning irresponsible, जो जिम्मेदार नहीं होता उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Careless. So just a simple sentence for that: he is a careless student or she is a careless student. So careless meaning irresponsible. Careless meaning irresponsible. Okay. Now students, coming to the second word, that is cheerful. Cheerful. Two meanings given here: happy, and the other meaning is having good spirit. Happy and other meaning is having good spirit. So happy मतलब खुश होना, good spirit means keeping the positive attitude in yourself. Okay. So cheerful means happy, and another meaning is having good spirit. So my dear students, the sentence I have written here is always try to stay cheerful. Always try to stay cheerful means always try to stay happy and positive. So that means always try to stay cheerful. Now the third word is course. Course, and the meaning is routine work. जो भी कोई किसी का भी जो डेली रूटीन का काम होता है उस काम को हम कोर्स कहते हैं. पर्सन टू पर्सन दिस कोर्स कैन डिफर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई कोर्स इज टू टीच and your course is to study. Like the daily routine work which you do from morning to night, the daily brushing, eating bath, and having your breakfast, then watching TV, and what all those continuous routine work which you do every day, that is what we call course. So here I have given the example: mother is busy with her household chores. Mother is busy with her household chores. Household मतलब घर के काम. Chores, routine work. So mother is busy with her household chores. So these were the three words: careless, cheerful, and chores. Now coming to the next word, that is counsel. That is counsel meaning to advise. To advise. Okay. मतलब advice लेना किसी से, that's what we call counsel. So the sentence I have given here is: parents should counsel their kids regarding their career. Parents should counsel their kids regarding their career. It means parents should advise the kids regarding what? Regarding their career. Now coming to the next word, that is commentary. Commentary. This word you might have heard this before. The cricket commentaries we hear, the sports and the match commentary we hear, right? So commentary. So what is the meaning of commentary? Group of comments. Series of comments is what we call commentaries. And the sentence I have made is: grandpa enjoys listening commentaries on radio. Grandpa enjoys listening commentaries on radio. Okay, this is a simple sentence which I have made, and as you know, you also have to make the sentences using the words, your own sentences using those words, which is going to be a homework for sure. Okay, now next word, that is companion. Companion meaning associate or partner. Associate or partner. So companion की दो मीनिंग दिए हुए हैं, एक है associate and partner. जो आपका साथी होता है ना, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? companion. Okay. So the sentence I have given here is: my pet Bruno is my all-time companion. My pet Bruno is my all-time companion. My means my pet is my all-time partner or associate. So that's why we are saying my pet Bruno is my all-time companion. Okay students, now coming to the next word, that is complete. And who has heard this word complete? It's a very common word. So four meanings are given here for that. That is finished, perfect, whole, and full. Complete, the word is complete, and the meanings are finished, perfect, whole, and full. Okay, complete करना, किसी भी काम को खत्म करना, finish करना is what we call complete. That could be anything, completing anything, completing your notes, completing your work, that could be anything. Okay, so complete means to finish or finish. And the sentence I have given here is: one should complete the work on time. One should complete the work on time. Very simple. Okay. Now come to the next word, that is concentrate, meaning focus, full attention. Focus, full attention. Concentrate का मतलब क्या होता है? Focus, full attention. You are focusing your full attention at one point. That is what we call to concentrate. Okay. And the sentence I have given is, the more you concentrate, the better you understand. जितना ज़्यादा आप concentrate करोगे उतना अच्छे से आपको समझ में आएगा, right? So the sentence that's why I have given here is, the more you concentrate, the better you understand. Okay. Now we are left with two more words. Let's see it quickly. What are those words are? The next word is conservation. Conservation, meaning preservation or perfect. Preservation or perfect. So what does this mean? किसी भी चीज़ को बचाना, प्रिजर्व करना, उसे प्रोटेक्ट करने को हम क्या कहते हैं? कंजर्व करना, और व्हाट वी कॉल इज दैट कंजर्वेशन. ओके. नाउ सेंटेंस आई हैव मेड हियर इज, water conservation can be done at home. Water conservation, when you are preserving water, you are saving the water, right? So that's why the simple sentence I have given here is that water conservation can be done at home. Water conservation can be done at home. Okay students, now coming to the last word, and last word is consult. The 10th word for today's class is consult. That means to take advice. To take advice means किसी से सलाह लेना. Okay. So the sentence for this I have written here is, you must consult your doctor. You must consult your doctor. So students, with this we can completed 10 words of our today's class, and let's take a look and revise what all words and their meanings. We will revise them once. First we did careless, meaning irresponsible. Then came cheerful. We had two meanings for cheerful. One is happy and the second is good spirits. Then comes course, which means routine work. Counsel, to advise. Commentary, series of comments. Then comes companion. Companion meaning associate or partner. Then comes four more words are there, that is complete, finished, whole, perfect and full. Then the next word was concentrate, focus, full attention. Focus, full attention. Last two words, conservation, preservation or protect. Preservation or protect. And the last word was consult, meaning to take advice. Okay. With this we complete 10 words with their meanings and also their sentences. Students, I hope you understood the word meanings very well, and you also wrote the sentences which I gave you. So remember in mind the format which I have showed you in the video. First of all, you have to write the word meanings in the sentence, then the sentence which you will make by your own using that word. So I hope you will be completing your homework and sending me very soon. And your English teacher will be back again in her next class with some new more words to learn. Okay students?